Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the prerequisite. You need the screen time passcode or the Apple ID and password used to configure restrictions. Once you have those, open Settings and tap Screen Time. You may see content and privacy restrictions already enabled. If not, toggle it on so the web controls appear. Make sure your device is unlocked and connected to Wi-Fi or cellular, because changes can propagate to iCloud. Now you're ready to access the specific web content controls that lock safe search. Next, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions, then Content Restrictions, and choose Web Content. Select Unrestricted Access to remove safe search limits, or explicitly choose to disable Limit Adult Websites so Safari won't filter results. If you use the Google app, open that app settings and turn off safe search there too, because some search apps enforce their own filter. Once done, make sure changes are saved. Go back to Home, open Safari, and perform a test search to verify results are no longer restricted. Finish by restarting your device to ensure settings take effect. This clears cached restrictions. If safe search remains, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, and check for any mobile device management or family sharing screen time controls that can reapply limits. Remove any profiles in Settings, right arrow General, right arrow VPN, and Device Management if they enforce filters. As a final step, update iOS and the Google app, then retest. If you still see filtering, the issue is usually a managed profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.